Hey guys, how's it going? Today is Saturday, and let's see if I can mount this. About that. No. Okay, so today what we're doing we're going to be doing soybeans later this afternoon. What I'm doing right now is I'm raking up corn stalks. My brother went through and chopped it off with a rotary cutter, and now I'm going through and raking it up. And after we're done raking it, we're going to go through and we're going to round bale it because our cows need something to eat, and we decided we're just going to use corn fodder. Corn fodder makes great bedding, and the cows will also eat it. Whether or not it's as nutritional as hay or other types of feed is up for debate, but it makes a good substitute. It's plentiful because you have all this corn, and when you go through and chop it, you're left with huge windrows, as you can see there. It makes really good bedding, but it's not quite as good compared to straw because straw sucks up more of the moisture when it's used as bedding, and it's really plentiful, so it's just something really useful to have. We just go through and we wrap it with net wrap. We don't cover them up with plastic wrap or anything. What we do want to keep out of the rain and snow and out of the elements, we'll put into one of our sheds. Well, one of our many sheds. We've got plenty of places to put our bales. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll hopefully attach some videos of us doing beans later this afternoon. Now, coming up, I'll have a soybeans and a corn harvesting video. Now, I'm not sure if one or both of these, probably both of them, will end up being a professional level video. I'll attach some slight music to it, and you know, I haven't done one of those in a while, so anyway, thanks for watching, and there's the cows. Now, with how I'm doing this, what I did was I drove right down the center, and then I picked a side to drive on. When I turned around, chose one side, let's say this side, like I'm driving up now. And then what I'm going to do is once I get to the top, I'm going to drive and go across the other side over there. It eases up the turning a little bit, so I don't have to turn as sharp, and I don't risk hitting some of the equipment on the tractor. So just kind of helps make things flow a little bit easier. What I tend to do when I'm done is I tend to do a few laps around the outside like I am now. It helps to just kind of clean up the ends a little bit and make it look pretty for when you go through and round bale it. Just cleans it up nice.
Based in the 1800s in Southwestern.
last of beans this year.